I think I found a use for this new table down the end. It's the Parkside demonstration bay. But hopefully there's going to be some new equipment coming for us to strike up on when it's all finished. I've just got to get rid of this stuff. But it is going down. I'm getting there. Getting there. Tuesday afternoon, I'm in the garage. She's taking the sister-in-law for a procedure at the hospital, and so I went to B&Q, bought a tape, and then a little to buy a cake, and saw this, and it's my daughter's birthday shortly. This is number one's daughter, mother. So, edge trimmer, battery off the saw, tell you what, kids messing about with this thing, could be a lot of fingers lost. Okay, dear me. There's a symbol there. Oh, don't put your fingers in there. I think the way to shut it is you pull the trigger, press the off button, and it's locked. Take this off, and then put that back on. Yeah, if you're not a heavy user of equipment, Parkside's fine. People swear by the plasma cutters. I know they buy them from China, but this is good stuff. And this thing, beautiful clamp. Yeah. Anyway, it's something towards a birthday. I'm getting some chisels as well. So we are a practical family. End of message, Tuesday afternoon in the garage. And it's not the Parkside garage either.